Hello friends, welcome to the video lecture series of Fundamental of C Programming. In this lecture, I am going to discuss about the program number 8 mentioned in the GTU program list. So let's look the program number 8. So in this program number 8, you have to take marks of the student from the user, and you have to check that student is fail or pass on the basis of using if-else statement. Okay, so let's begin this code. So in this program, you have to first take the marks of subjects. So I take a marks of 3 subjects. So the variables are m1, m2 and m3. I have to store the total. So the total equal to 0, and to calculate percentage, I take a one variable percentage. Okay. Now I write a statement printf /n enter marks of subject 1. Okay. Now scanf percentage %d comma ampersand m1. Okay, so in this way you can take the marks of the subject 1. In the similar way, you can also take the marks of the other subject 2 and 3. So I just copy this statement and just paste. Okay, 1 second. So I have to copy this 2 lines. So I just copy and I have to paste this. Okay, and for the third subject also I can again paste this, and I just take to change the variable. Okay, m2 and here m3. Okay, now I also do changes in the statement. So this is subject 3, subject 2. Okay, now I have to calculate the total. So I write total equal to m1 plus m2 plus m3. Okay, now I have to calculate percentage. So I write percentage equal to total divided by 3, because I assume that all the marks are out of 100. So total is a 300. Okay, now I have to check. So I use if, and here I can write percentage is greater than equal to 40. Okay, and I assume that if percentage is greater than equal to 40, then student is passed. So I write here printf /n student is pass and percentage is percentage %d, and I also print here percentage. Okay, and in the similar way I can give that if a student is percentage is not less than equal to greater than equal to 40, then I can say that a student is fail. Okay, so for that I can write else, and I paste here. Okay, so I remove this else condition, those, and changes in the statement that student is fail and the percentage is this. Okay, now I can put the get ch statement and close the main. Now I run this code. Now let's subject 1 marks is 67, 68 and 90. You can say give that student is pass and the percentage is 75. Now I can again check for the fail condition. So let's, subject 1 is 23, 34 and 32. So you can see that the percentage is 29 and student is fail. So in this way you can do this program. Thank you.